Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. DTC B122F, which indicates an open circuit in the windshield defrost switch, is a diagnostic trouble code specifically for Honda Accord models from 2023 and onward. This error suggests that the climate control system has detected an abnormal condition related to the windshield defrost function. The windshield defrost switch is a crucial component within the vehicle's climate control system. It provides input to the climate control unit, allowing the driver to activate defrosting the windshield when necessary. The climate control unit, which interprets signals from the switch, functions to maintain a comfortable cabin environment and ensure optimal visibility during driving. When an open circuit is present in the switch, the climate control unit registers this abnormality, often leading to the storage of the associated DTC. Understanding this error code is essential for effective troubleshooting and maintaining proper climate control functionality. The primary components affected by DTC B122F are the climate control switch, which includes the windshield defrost switch and the climate control unit. The climate control switch is located on the dashboard and is easily accessible to the driver, allowing adjustments to be made while driving. This switch transmits requests for defrosting to the climate control unit, which is typically located within the center console of the vehicle. The climate control unit processes these signals and activates the appropriate climate control actions, such as directing airflow to the windshield. The precise location of these components is crucial for efficient troubleshooting, as inspecting any malfunctioning component hinges upon its accessibility. If the climate control switch malfunctions, or if there's an open circuit, it disrupts communication between the switch and the climate control unit, leading to the B122F error code. The possible causes of DTC B122F primarily revolve around three main issues: an open circuit, a faulty climate control switch, and a defective climate control unit. An open circuit in the wiring means that the electrical connection has been interrupted, preventing the climate control unit from receiving signals from the defrost switch. This can be due to frayed wires, poor connections, or physical damage to the wiring. A faulty climate control switch itself may not correctly send signals even if the wiring is intact, thus necessitating inspection and potentially replacement. Finally, if the climate control switch and external circuits are in good working order, the problem may lie within the climate control unit itself. If it can't effectively process inputs from the switch, it leads to improper function, triggering the DTC B122F. The symptoms associated with DTC B122F can greatly affect the driving experience. One of the primary indications is an inoperative windshield defrost function, which can impair visibility and create unsafe driving conditions. Additionally, the driver may observe that a warning light activates on the dashboard, alerting them to the climate control system malfunction. Users might also experience dysfunction within the overall climate control system, such as erratic temperatures or airflow directions, as the inability of the climate control unit to respond correctly to the switch inputs leads to various performance issues. Identifying and addressing these symptoms is vital for restoration of the full functionality of the climate control system, thereby ensuring driver and passenger safety. The first step in troubleshooting DTC B122F involves turning the vehicle to the on mode and waiting for at least 8 seconds. This procedural step is crucial as it ensures that all systems have initialized and the climate control unit has ample time to receive input from the climate control switch. This waiting period allows the system to check for abnormalities before any diagnostic checks are conducted. After this duration, it is essential to verify whether DTC B122F is still present in the system. If the code persists, It confirms there is an underlying issue with the climate control components that need to be addressed through further diagnostics. Additionally, ensuring the vehicle is in the on position guarantees that all electrical systems are active and functioning as necessary during testing. The second step involves inspecting the external circuit associated with the climate control switch, specifically DEF SW1 and DEF SW2. During this inspection, technicians will look for any visual signs of wear, damage, or loose connections that could lead to an open circuit condition. Utilizing an ohm meter, it's crucial to check the resistance in the wires connected to the defrost switch. There should be less than 1 ohm resistance in normal functioning conditions. If resistance is considerably higher, or a complete open circuit is indicated, this confirms issues within the wiring. The findings from this inspection are critical, as identifying any wiring faults will guide the technician in the next steps toward resolving the B122F error code. In this troubleshooting step, the technician inspects the climate control switch itself. Since there's no direct testing method available, a known good climate control switch is installed while the original component is removed. This process ensures that if there's a fault with the switch, it can be isolated and confirmed by attempting to reproduce the failure once the replacement is installed. If the new switch successfully resolves the issue and the DTC no longer appears, it indicates that the original climate control switch was indeed faulty. However, if the failure persists, the problem may lie within other components related to the climate control system, necessitating further investigation. This systematic approach ensures that each component is accurately assessed for functionality and reliability. The final troubleshooting step involves an inspection of the climate control unit to evaluate its functionality. If previous inspections have indicated that the climate control switch and external wiring are in normal working condition, the climate control unit itself is likely the culprit behind the B122F error code. The technician will check for any faults or irregularities in the climate control unit's operation. If the unit cannot effectively process the input from the defrost switch, after confirming the integrity of all related components, it confirms that the climate control unit is defective. This thorough assessment concludes the troubleshooting process and helps in pinpointing the specific faulty component that necessitates replacement to restore functionality. After repairs are made, it's crucial to perform a final verification process to ensure the issue is fully resolved. This involves clearing the DTC from the vehicle's computer system, which resets the diagnostic indicators. After clearing the codes, the technician should recheck the system functionality by cycling through operations related to the climate control switch, including testing the windshield defrost feature. By monitoring whether the DTC returns or if the functions are operating correctly, one can confirm that the necessary repairs have been effective in resolving the B122F error code. It's essential to ensure that all systems are functioning as intended, providing a comfortable and safe driving experience. To prevent the reoccurrence of DTC B122F, implementing a robust preventive maintenance plan is essential. Regular inspections of the climate control system should be a part of routine vehicle service to identify any potential faults before they develop into more significant issues. Checking the wiring that connects the climate control switch to the climate control unit should be conducted routinely, especially in areas where there may be factors leading to wear or damage, such as exposure to moisture or heat. Upgrading the climate control switch or replacing it preemptively if it shows signs of age can also help in preventing similar problems. These preventive measures provide peace of mind and enhance the longevity of the vehicle's climate control functionality. DTC B122F indicates a significant issue within the windshield defrost switch circuit of the Honda Accord 2023 and newer models. Understanding this error is paramount for addressing and ensuring optimal functioning of the climate control system, which is vital for safe driving, especially in adverse weather conditions. The troubleshooting steps provided offer a systematic approach to diagnosing and resolving the issue effectively. By following these sequential steps, inspecting the external circuits, the climate control switch, and the climate control unit, technicians can pinpoint the root of the problem and implement the necessary repairs. Ensuring the climate control system is operational not only provides comfort for passengers, but is also crucial for maintaining visibility, thereby enhancing overall vehicle safety. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.